10 current in service Royal Moroccan Air Force fighter jets, special mission jets, helicopters and trainer jets. F-16, Fighting Falcon, Role, Multirole aircraft, in service, 23, on order, 25. Dassault, Mirage, F-1, Role, fighter aircraft, in service, 25. Northrop, F-5, Role, fighter aircraft, in service, 26. Dassault, Falcon 20, Role, signals intelligence, in service, 2. SA-330 Puma, Role, utility and transport, in service, 26. Gazelle, SA-342, Role, scout and anti-armor, in service, 23. AH-64, Apache, Role, attack helicopter, on order, 36. Beechcraft, T-6, Texan 2, Role, advanced trainer jet, in service, 24. Dornier, Alpha, jet, Role, trainer jet, in service, 22. Bell, 206, Role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 7. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.